Hello Vietmaxim family and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Alright guys, a very quick update for DOGECOIN. Doge is trading at about 8.6 cents or down 4.5%. It looks like the rest of the crypto market is down because the stock market, the Dow Jones future is down. The reason it's down because all of the traders are waiting to see what the Fed is going to be doing later this week when they announce the next rate increase. A favorable rate increase, we will see the market continue this uptrend. But a negative rate increase, well, what I mean is like if the market view the rate increase as a negative thing, then we could potentially see a pullback. But looking at Dogecoin, yesterday when I did the analysis for Doge was trading at around 9 penny. And I said right at around 9 cents to 9.5 cents. This is a major supply area. Uh, so Doge got to a little over 9 cents. And then there was selling pressure. As you can see, this candle, a lot of selling pressure. The price dropped, and early this morning, it dropped all the way down to about 8.5 cents. And when we look at this, it is basically retesting this upward trend line. The cool thing about this is it seems like buyers are stepping in every time when the price drop and retest this upward trend line. Buyers step in, push the price up. Same as here, same as here. And so far today, as you can see, the price dropped to about 8.5, which is very close to this upward trend line. Buy a step in, you see this candle, they slowly pushing the price up. The thing that I'm looking for is this. Right now, those are trading below this red line, which is the 10 days moving average. I want to see buyer continue to drive the price up. And if those can close above this 10 days moving average, which is about like 8.8 cents, that is definitely what I want to see. I do not want to see the price drop and trade below this 10 days moving average. Now, if we jump over to the hourly chart, as you can see, the price dropped down and it's retest this upward trend line. And for the past hour, we started to see buyers stepping in. I don't know if you can see this clearly or not, but let me zoom this out. There it is. You see, buyers step in and slowly pushing the price up. So the key for us is what? For the price continue to stabilize, and then depending on the outcome of the Fed announcement, we could potentially see those retest this 9 cents again. Here's the thing that we do not want to see. What we do not want to see is for those to break down and drop below this support trend line. If it does, then we want to see support right at around this area, which is around the 8 cents. If those can bounce up, then there's a very good chance it would continue retest this and then likely be able to cross over that. So the key for us to observe today is worst case scenario is to see Doge bounce up at 8 cents if it dropped below this support trend line. Otherwise, we could potentially see those kind of like trading boringly sideways between 8.5 cents to about 9 cents. And that is a good sign because if you watch my prior video, this pattern here is a classic case of an ascending triangle. Normally with the ascending triangle is right now, those are going through this consolidation period. It's just waiting for a move. Then we could potentially see this push up in price. And this push up in price, those would likely retest this prior high, which is right around this area, 11.5 to 12 cents. That is what I'm aiming for. So for now, even though Doge is trading down almost 5%, but just hang tight. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.